NCERT Physics Class 11th, 5th chapter, which is motion in a plane. So, question number 5.37. In this, we have a disk revolve with a given angle speed has radius of 15 centimeter. Two coins are placed at a distance of 4 and 14 centimeter from the center. Coefficient of friction is equal to this. In which of the following case, which of the coin will revolve with the record? So a disk is revolving, and in this we have, let's say this is center and two coins are placed. One is a distance of 4 centimeter and other is a distance of 14 centimeter. So let's say the first coin which is placed at a distance of A, which is 4 centimeter, and another coin which is placed at distance 14 centimeter, this is B. So as we all know, if these coin want to rotate with this circular disk with angular velocity omega, so the friction force, so centripetal force is required in order to move in circular motion. So in this case, for coin A and for coin B, the centripetal force which is acting is given by friction. So in case A, the centripetal force is given by friction, and in case B, the centripetal force is also given by friction. So this is, let's say, FA and this is FB. Now let us find the value of requirement of friction. The maximum friction which can act is equal to mu s into n. If the required value is less than mu s into n, then the slipping will not take place, and if the required value is greater than mu s into n, then the slipping will take place. So for A, so first we are going to talk about A. If A is moving in a circle of radius 4 centimeter, so the centripetal force required for A is equal to m omega square into r. So first find the value of omega. In order to find the value of omega, we have omega is equal to rpm into 2 pi by 60. So omega is equal to rpm, that is equal to 100 by 3 into 2 pi by 60. The value of pi is 22 by 7. So on solving this, we have the value of omega as 3.49. The value of omega comes out to be 3.49. Now the frictional force acting on block A and B is equal to mu into L. So both the blocks are identical. So the both will have same mass, same coefficient of friction. So friction force will be same for both. So frictional force is equal to mu s into n, which is equal to mg. The value of mu s is equal to 0.15. So frictional force is equal to 0.15 mass m into g, and the value of g is 10. So frictional force is equal to 1.5 into mass m Newton. This is the frictional force which is acting on the two given block A and B. Two given coin A and B. So for case A, the centripetal force is equal to m omega square into r. So for A, we can say that centripetal force is equal to m omega square into r. Mass m, omega is equal to 3.49. And radius is equal to 4 centimeter, which can be written as 0.04 meter. So on solving this, the centripetal force for A is equal to 0.49 Newton. So from this we can say that to move in circle, centripetal force required is 0.49 Newton, and the maximum force which is available is equal to 1.49 Newton. So in this, FC is less than F maximum. Requirement is less than maximum. So this requirement can be fulfilled. So A can move in circle. A can move with recorder. Now talking about B. What we have for B? For B, if we want that B should move in circle, so centripetal force is required for circular motion. So centripetal force for B is given by m omega square into radius of B. So mass is same for both. Omega would be same, that is equal to 3.49 into radius. In this case, the radius of B is equal to 15 centimeter, which can be written as 14 centimeter, which can be written as 0.14. So from this, the value of FC comes out to be 1.7 m into n. So in this case, the value of centripetal force required is greater than maximum friction. So in this case, the friction cannot rotate the coin B, because in this FC, centripetal force required is greater than maximum friction. If the centripetal force is required is greater than maximum friction, so in this case, the B cannot move with record. So in this case, the slipping of B will take place. So B will slip and A will continue circular motion.